How to add Visa gift card to Doordash. So Doordash is one of the online platforms that is reliable for food delivery from local restaurants. It offers a vast selection of cuisines and reliable delivery services. So how can we use our Visa gift card in our Doordash? For this, log into your Doordash online or in app, then tap on the hamburger menu icon. From all of this list, you have to go ahead and select the option of payment so that we can go ahead and add our Visa gift card to it. Once we have selected our payment, we will see an interface like this. Under payment details, select the option of credit or debit card. Make sure that you know the essential details of your Visa gift card in your Doordash because we have to go ahead and fill out this section of the card number, expiration date, CVC, and the zip code. You can also scan the card if the QR code is imprinted on it. Now, once you have added your Visa gift card, go ahead and shop or order a food item that you want to devour. Now, once you go ahead and tap on checkout, make sure that the credit or debit card is selected and it has the credential of a Visa gift card. And that is how you'll be able to use a Visa gift card on Doordash. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.